Hello fam, welcome back to our channel. Some hours ago, well, probably a day or two, Adeyemi Smart, that's Kogi State Senator, had called Abia State Governor a champagne drinker, as in is a drunkard. He drinks a lot of champagne. Of course, the Abia State Governor, via his media person, has responded, but the Ndibos are not they're not leaving it off the hook. They don't want to let it lie low. They have decided to also to put one or two things into the matter. But before we go into the news to find out what it is that is going on, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, the movement for actualization of sovereign state of Biafra, MASSOB, has condemned what it called the unprovoked insult and abuse against the governor of Abia State, Dr. Ikpeazu, by Senator Smart Adeyemi on the floor of the Senate, saying the senator has touched the lion's tail. In a statement made available to reporters in Awka, MASSOB leader Comrade Uchenna Madu gave Senator Adeyemi 3 days to apologize to Igbo nation, recalling that it was not the first time Adeyemi and his sponsors abused Igbo leaders because of their inner hatred and disdain for Igbo, especially those doing well in development of Igbo land. According to Madu, Abia State was rated the best third state for foreign investment and economic stability in Nigeria, adding that it was a sign of Ikpeazu's quality leadership. He said MASSOB views this unprovoked assault on the person of a sitting governor in Igbo land as an insult to Ndibo, and we can never accept it. They are desperate to discredit Igbo leaders because of 2023 general election. MASSOB therefore warns Senator Adeyemi that he has 3 days to publicly apologize to Governor Ikpeazu and Ndibo in general, or risk sanctions, including being declared persona non grata in all parts of Igbo land. We understand that Senator Adeyemi is being driven by his perceived hatred against Ndibo, or has been sponsored by the enemies of Ndibo for political reasons, because he is aspiring to be the next governor of Kogi State. But we wish to warn him and others who lend themselves to be used against the aspiration of our people that we are ready for them. There is no nation in the world that will make progress while attempting to keep one part of the country down. And this explains the lack of progress witnessed in Nigeria since the end of the Civil War. This same issue is at the heart of our struggle to actualize Biafra, where Ndibo can flourish without anyone seeking to keep us down or abuse our leaders. He commended Senator Inyanya Abaribe, representing Abia South Senatorial Zone, for his eloquent representation of Ndibo, adding that his constituency and unshakable spirit was worthy of emulation. This is it really. You know, when I heard what Senator Smart said, I wondered what could possibly have caused this. Okay, we want to assume, I know it didn't happen. We want to assume that let's assume that Senator Baribe actually called out Kogi State Governor, which he actually said he didn't. Wisdom demands, even if you must do any correction, why go and insult somebody who didn't even insult you? Why go and call out a governor who does not even know what happened in the plenary? What concerns him concerns what you people are discussing. Except, of course, there's an issue on ground and you want to, question him on the grounds of Senate. Fine, you invite him. Maybe on the grounds of corruption, whatever the case is, fine, send an invitation to him as an executive governor. That's an executive governor. Then, whatever reasons but to call him out and call him names, honestly, I wondered, was there a personal beef that was going on? Now you attributed the insult that your fellow colleague has insulted your own governor. Does it mean you should also insult your fellow colleague's governor? You would have just called out Senator Barry Benyina Barry, but there in the house, and tell him, say, look, my honorable colleague, or my Mr. President, my colleague here insulted. Whatever the way you want to do it, you do it. You settle it and make amicably like men. Although I've even seen several where senators even fight in the house. It's normal. It's these days there's nothing so new. But whatever the case is, I don't even see Senator Inabari stooping so low to that level. But I would have expected maturity and decorum in this matter. But to begin to drag a sitting governor who does not even have an idea of what the cross of the matter was. Don't even Senator Dino Malai, he had to forfeit his seat for Senator Smart to sit on it. Dino Malai had to call him out that yesterday and told him, why would you do such a thing? He called him out. And Dino Malai's, Adeyemi's daughter called out Dino Malai. It was just a whole circle of, words that are not even edifying. If you have goofed, apologize. There's nothing to it. Why would you call it? What did he do? Except, of course, you have personal issues. Call him out. But don't on the grounds of professionalism. Now, MASSOB is now saying they will grant him, they will call him persona non grata. What concerns Adeyemi Smart to Indibo? What is his business? He may never even have any reason to come down to Southeast for any reason. Calling him persona non grata. As what now? There are some persons even in the Senate that you will not hear their voice till they are 4 years to know to their 4 years alive. They may not sponsor a bill, they may not even vote for anyone. They will just sit there, collect allowances and constituency money and move on. They're there for it. Nothing else, nothing. So calling him my personal non grata in the South doesn't change his personality, if you ask me. If there are better sanctions, okay, you go maybe look into it. But that one, and if he's thinking of, like MASSOB has said, that he's thinking of becoming the president, or rather the governor of Kogi State, that is actually Kogi people. It's between him and himself and his sitting governor and the Kogi people to decide. It doesn't concern Ndibo. About telling him 3 working days, I don't see Senator Adeyemi Smart apologizing, except there will be a sanction that will be coming from the Senate and the National Assembly National Assembly themselves. That's the only place I can see maybe apology coming. But if it's going to be MASSOB demanding, you ask the question first, who would even recognize what MASSOB is saying? They'll say, oh, even he will wonder who is telling me to apologize, MASSOB. That's how that's how I see it. But if there's other things, maybe there's other ways of fine. I think they should approach the Senate and see how can apologize. But for now, he has not apologized. Let's go and wrap it up. Let's meet in that comment section.